Hello dear friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, how to find old Instagram views. So subscribe to the channel and let's go. Step 1, open your Instagram account, click your profile account and click your menu, click your activity and click account history. Very easy. About account history, review changes you made to your account since you were created. Okay, view. This is view privacy. For example, this month, these years, and these 2 years, and older. Very easy. We can use it very easily. Please like the video and subscribe channel. Take on tech.